Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create adaptive views. In today's digital landscape, users access websites and applications from a wide range of devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Each device has its own screen size and resolution, which can affect the way content is displayed and interacted with. By using adaptive views, designers can ensure that their prototypes provide a consistent and optimal user experience across various devices. Next, let's set up the pages and widgets. Select Custom Web and Page Dimensions. We can see that the width is 1440, while the height is auto. This means that as long as the screen width exceeds 1440, this view will be used. Select Add Adaptive Views, create new adaptive view set. We select Add in the pop-up window, add a new view, enter small PC in name, and select Desktop Small in the preset. This means that if the screen size is between 1440 and 1200, this view is used. Let's add another view of iPhone 11 Pro. It can be seen that its width and height are limited. If the screen size is less than 1200, this view will be used. We select Base and inherit from the base view. For inherited functionality, please refer to our Axure RP Core course. Click OK. You can see that the Adaptive View options appears on the screen. Uncheck Affect All Views. Then we create several new pages corresponding to adaptive views for linking in the inline frame. Add content to the pages. Then we drag an inline frame into the first page. Set its size to 1440/877, which is also the PC page size. Right-click and select Toggle Border, then link to the PC page. Next, click on the Desk Small option at the top. Delete the inline frame, then drag in a new inline frame and set its size to 1200/877, which is also the size of the PC small page. Right-click and select Toggle Border, then link to the PC small page. Then select the iPhone 11 Pro option at the top. Delete the inline frame. Drag in a new inline frame. Set the size to the size of the view. Right-click and select Toggle Border, then link to the iPhone 11 page. Set the scroll bar to never scroll. Preview the prototype and you can see that the window view is PC. When dragging a window, if the width is less than a certain degree, the window view will change to PC small. If the width is further reduced to a certain extent, the window view becomes iPhone 11 Pro. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.